In today's video, we'll be talking about the top 5 best .338 Lapua Sniper Rifles in 2022. Number 5. Ruger Precision Rifle. Ruger is known for making high-quality rifles, and this Ruger Precision Rifle chambered in .338 is one of the best. The rifle is made with accuracy. It has a linear recoil system for smooth shooting experience. It also has a push-feed bolt-action design. One of the best things about this rifle is its ergonomics. The handguard, bolt-action lever, and stock pistol grip are all incredible. They are also modular, meaning that they can be removed and modified to fit any individual shooter. The factory stock is excellent. Its length of pull is adjustable, and so is the cheek rest, allowing different shooters to adjust it to their needs. This is a very long rifle and has a 24-inch precision barrel and has a foldable stock, making the rifle much easier to transport. The Ruger Precision Rifle has one of the best precision triggers with a single-stage design. This trigger is crisp and can be adjusted by the shooter thanks to its lightweight. The trigger can be adjusted to anywhere between 2 and 5 pounds without disassembling the rifle. Number 4. Sako TRG42. The Sako TRG42 is a firearm that is used for serious long-range competitions. It can be equipped with a large collection of accessories to meet the most demanding requirements. The TRG42 chambered in .338 Lapua mag is a precision tool for special forces or competitions. It has a black and green stock with blued barrel and action. It can also come in an all-black stealth configuration with a black stock and bolt with a phosphatized barrel and action. The stock is fully adjustable and strengthened with high-tech aluminum, and the solid vault-like action is forged from a special steel alloy. The integral 17mm axial scope mounting rails have recoil stop slots on the top of the receiver. The sturdy bolt comes with 3 locking lug feeds, and it rounds flawlessly from the center line of a detachable staggered 2-row magazine. It has a reliable feed for different types of ammunition. The bolt lift is also at a 60-degree angle for fast bolt throw. For maximum reliability, the detachable box magazine is based on center feeding, as well as precision positioning of the cartridge into the chamber. Cartridges can also be loaded singly into the chamber. Number 3. Barrett MRAD. Barrett MRAD is a 10+1 bolt action, a semi-automatic rifle made with high-end craftsmanship and is chambered in the .338 Lapua cartridge. It is a modular and precision rifle built around barrels that can be shaped and a folding stock. The magazine and bolt head of the rifle can also be swapped in a couple of minutes from one caliber to another. Its modular caliber changing system sets it apart from other rifles. Each caliber comes in matte black, FDE, and tungsten gray, with these colors encircling the handguard, receiver, and stock's metal bits, while other parts remain black. The MRAD has comfortable ambidextrous controls, and its magazine's release and safety switch are both ambidextrous. The factory MRAD comes with an M-lock handguard and screws to mount Picatinny rails. It also has a smooth action for quicker reloads. The metal bolt hides on a huge polymer sleeve and eliminates a lot of friction, thereby allowing for a very smooth action. This rifle has a very smooth trigger. The Barrett MRAD weighs more than 15 pounds, and it's about a pound lighter when configured with the shorter 7.62 by 51mm barrel. Hey, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you're enjoying the content. Number 2. AXMC. The AXMC is the latest in a combat-proven sniper rifle. It was designed and manufactured by the British company Accuracy International. The AX multi-caliber rifle is an advanced technology weapon system that provides military, civilian, and law enforcement shooters the latest in AI's battle-proven features: reliability, accuracy, unrelenting quality, and ruggedness. This rifle is chambered in a .338 Lapua Magnum, which can also be converted to a .300 Winchester Magnum or .308 Winchester by changing the bolt, barrel, and magazine. At the core of the AXMC series is the combat-proven Accuracy International machined solid steel. It has a flat-bottomed action, is epoxy-bonded, and is bolted to combat-tested AI chassis. AI AXMC works with multiple calibers, and the operator can switch between calibers in only a few minutes on the field. It also features an adjustable and foldable stock, which makes shooting and traveling with the rifle comfortable. Number 1. FN Ballista Rifle. Ballista is a modern, modular, and multi-caliber feature of precision rifle systems. It is designed to deliver precision fire, and it employs a high strength. It features a vibration-isolated aluminum alloy receiver that has a top-mounted MIL STD 1913 rail. It comes with Picatinny rails on the top and on the bottom for the addition of accessories like lasers, slings, lights, bipod, and many other accessories. The rifle can change its caliber between the .338 Lapua Magnum, .308 Winchester, and the .300 Winchester Magnum. Its fluted barrels measure 26 inches, and the bores have polygonal rifling with a right-hand, consistent twist rate. The fluted barrel can be changed in less than 2 minutes, with each barrel remaining true to the receiver's center line. The trigger system is fully adjustable and adaptable. It is fully adjustable for single-stage or two-stage release between 2 and 5 pounds. This makes the rifle useful for both close and long ranges. It is also ambidextrous, and the folding stock allows the shooter to configure the rifle for better performance. The detachable box magazine is equipped with a caliber-specific interior to ensure reliable feeding in all conditions.